Did you know that your body and mind have an incredible capacity to stay vibrant, sharp, and energetic well into your golden years? Every morning, your brain wakes up ready to take on a new day, but too often it doesn't get the support it deserves. And it's not because you're failing or slowing down, it's because no one told you what it truly needs to thrive. Most people assume aging is inevitable, that memory fades and energy dips are just part of life. But here's the truth, your body doesn't age overnight. What changes is the fuel you give it, the habits you choose, and the mindset you carry. The good news is, the tools to stay strong, alert, and youthful are locked away behind fancy supplements or complicated routines. They're simple, practical, and available to you today. You can literally start making a difference today, and the results will build silently, powerfully, day after day. Let's start with something we all have access to: your diet. Your body and brain are like a finely tuned engine. Without the right fuel, performance drops and energy fades. But when you eat the right foods at the right time, your cells start repairing. Your energy stabilizes and your brain fires more efficiently. It doesn't take a superfood from the other side of the world. Simple fruits and vegetables like bananas, apples, and oranges provide a combination of nutrients that can protect your memory, boost your mood, and sharpen your focus. Bananas, for example, are packed with vitamin B6, magnesium, and tryptophan, 3 nutrients that work together to calm your mind, support deep sleep, and keep neurotransmitters humming smoothly. That's your brain's way of saying thank you as it restores itself while you rest. Eating one about an hour before bed primes your mind to wake up sharper and more alert, ready to take on your day with confidence. Then there's the apple, the humble powerhouse. Beyond its crisp texture and sweet flavor, apples deliver antioxidants like quercetin and soluble fiber that support your brain while feeding your gut. The gut-brain connection isn't just theory, it's real science. When your gut is happy, your brain thrives. Apples help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support the production of proteins essential for memory retention. Over time, including apples in your evening routine creates a ripple effect of benefits, from calmer nerves to improved recall and sharper thinking. And finally, oranges bring a burst of vitamin C and flavonoids, crucial for protecting your brain from oxidative stress. They strengthen your blood-brain barrier, improve blood flow, and support neurotransmitters that govern focus, motivation, and alertness. Eating half an orange about 90 minutes before bed ensures your brain gets exactly what it needs while your body sleeps, clearing waste, repairing cells, and consolidating memories. But staying healthy and youthful isn't just about what you eat. It's about moving, even lightly, every day. Simple exercises like stretching, walking, or gentle yoga keep your muscles strong, your joints flexible, and your circulation steady. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day can improve balance, prevent injuries, and give you a sense of accomplishment that spills over into every part of life. Combine that with short bursts of strength training or resistance exercises, and you're not just maintaining, you're rebuilding. Strong muscles support your bones, improve posture, and enhance your endurance, letting you enjoy the activities you love without struggle. And when movement becomes part of your daily rhythm, your mood lifts naturally. Endorphins release, stress melts, and energy levels stabilize, making every morning feel lighter, brighter, and more hopeful. Equally important is mindset. Your mental attitude has a direct impact on your health. A positive outlook isn't just fluffy talk, it influences hormones, immune function, and even cognitive resilience. Believing that you can grow stronger, sharper, and more energetic creates a feedback loop where your choices reinforce your body's natural potential. Approach each day as an opportunity, not a challenge. Celebrate the small wins: an extra walk, a fruit-filled snack, a restful night of sleep. Over time, these small, consistent choices compound into a life that's not just longer, but fuller, richer, and more vibrant. One of the most empowering things to understand as we age is that your body isn't failing. It's just asking for the right kind of care. Every day, your cells are repairing, your heart is pumping, and your brain is firing. But without the proper fuel and habits, that natural process slows down, leaving you feeling fatigued, forgetful, or unmotivated. The truth is, staying vibrant and youthful in your 60s 70, or beyond doesn't require extreme routines or expensive gadgets. It's about the small, consistent choices you make, everyday choices that give your brain, your muscles, and your heart exactly what they need to thrive. And one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to do this is through your evening habits, starting with nutrition. Imagine ending your day by giving your body a boost instead of letting it run low on nutrients. A small, intentional routine before bed can transform how you feel in the morning. Bananas, for instance, aren't just a snack. They're a brain and body reset. With vitamin B6, magnesium, and tryptophan, they help regulate neurotransmitters that control mood, memory, and sleep. A single banana eaten about an hour before bedtime helps calm your mind, regulate your nervous system, and support deep restorative sleep. That's when your body and brain do the majority of their repair work, from consolidating memories to reducing inflammation. Over time, this simple step alone can make mornings feel lighter, thinking clearer, and motivation stronger. Then there's the apple, nature's quiet powerhouse. The antioxidants in apples protect your neurons from daily wear and tear. The soluble fiber feeds your gut, creating a thriving environment for beneficial bacteria that actually communicate with your brain. When your gut is happy, your brain is sharper. That means better memory, faster recall, and less brain fog. Eating an apple about an hour and a half before bed primes your system for overnight repair, reduces inflammation, and supports the production of proteins essential for long-term cognitive health. Over weeks and months, this simple habit becomes a shield, helping you preserve clarity and independence. Oranges add the final touch to this nightly trio. Packed with vitamin C and flavonoids like hesperidin, oranges improve blood flow, support neurotransmitter function, and protect the brain's delicate tissues from oxidative stress. This isn't just about preventing illness, it's about enhancing your mental performance, motivation, and focus. Just half an orange or a few segments eaten 90 minutes before bed ensures that your neurons have the protection and nutrients they need to perform at their best, clearing waste and consolidating memories while you sleep. Together, bananas, apples, and oranges form a simple, natural, and effective nightly ritual that keeps your brain vibrant, resilient, and ready for the day ahead. But health isn't only what you eat, it's how you move. Light, intentional exercise is one of the fastest ways to boost energy, protect joints, and maintain muscle mass. You don't need a gym or heavy weights. Daily walks, gentle yoga, stretching, or even bodyweight exercises can dramatically improve balance, flexibility, and overall strength. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day keeps circulation flowing, supports heart health, and enhances mood. Even small bursts of activity throughout the day, standing up, reaching, bending, or walking stimulate circulation and oxygen delivery to every cell. When your muscles and heart are active, your brain follows suit, firing more efficiently, improving alertness, and reducing fatigue. Equally critical is consistency. Your body thrives on rhythm. Regular sleep, regular meals, and consistent movement help your internal systems run like clockwork. Skipping meals, staying sedentary, or sleeping erratically creates stress on your body and slows recovery. But establishing predictable routine signals to your body that it can repair, recover, and grow stronger. It's not complicated. Set small, achievable goals. A walk after breakfast, a fruit snack before bed, stretching before dinner. These simple rhythms compound over weeks, months, and years into habits that protect your independence and keep your energy high. Your mindset is another secret weapon. Believing that you can stay sharp, energetic, and youthful is far more than motivational talk. It affects real physiological processes. Positive thinking reduces stress, lowers harmful hormone levels, and supports cognitive function. Each time you celebrate a small success, a clear morning, a new stretch mastered, a balanced meal, you reinforce a sense of control and optimism. That feeling translates into stronger habits, a more resilient body, and a sharper mind. A positive outlook creates a feedback loop where good choices breed confidence, which fuels more good choices, creating momentum that carries you forward every day. Finally, combine all of these elements: nutrition, light movement, consistency, and a positive mindset, and the results are transformative. You'll wake up with more energy, think more clearly, and feel capable of tackling tasks you might have once thought tiring. Your memory improves, your mood stabilizes, and your independence stays intact. And all of this comes not from expensive pills or complicated routines, but from simple, natural choices that respect your body's rhythms and needs. It's proof that aging isn't about decline, it's about opportunity. With the right habits, your 60s, 70s, and beyond can be a time of clarity, strength, and vitality, where you thrive, not just survive. Now that you understand the power of small, intentional habits, it's time to bring it all together and see how they fit into your daily life. Staying healthy, energetic, and mentally sharp isn't about chasing trends or following complicated programs. It's about creating a rhythm that supports your body and mind naturally. It's about giving yourself the tools to feel vibrant, capable, and independent every single day. And the amazing part, you already have what you need to start. It's in your kitchen, in your neighborhood, and inside the choices you make in each moment. Start with your mornings. How you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. A glass of water to rehydrate, a simple stretch or light walk to awaken your muscles, and a balanced breakfast filled with protein, fiber, and natural energy can completely change how your day unfolds. Don't underestimate the power of sunlight in the morning. It helps regulate your circadian rhythm, lifts your mood, and primes your body for alertness and focus. Even just 10 to 15 minutes outside can increase vitamin D levels, improve circulation, and give your brain the signal that it's time to engage, learn, and think clearly. Pair this with deep, mindful breaths, and you've created a gentle, natural jumpstart that requires no supplements, fancy gadgets, or complicated routines. Nutrition continues to play a pivotal role throughout the day. Eating whole, nutrient-dense foods keeps your energy stable and your mind sharp. Fruits like bananas, apples, and oranges aren't just for the evening, they're powerful allies throughout your day too. Bananas give you sustained energy, keeping your nervous system calm and your focus steady. Apples provide fiber and antioxidants that protect your cells while supporting digestion and your gut-brain connection. Oranges deliver vitamin C to maintain immunity and vascular health, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach every part of your body efficiently. When you pair these with lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains, you create a balanced system that keeps your metabolism steady, your mind alert, and your energy levels consistent from morning through night. Movement, even in small doses, is equally transformative. Your body thrives on activity, and consistency matters more than intensity. A short walk after meals, gentle stretching in the morning, or even a brief resistance routine with light weights can dramatically improve strength, flexibility, and balance. Strong muscles protect your joints, support proper posture, and give you the confidence to move freely throughout your day. Balance exercises, like standing on one leg or slow heel-to-toe walking, might seem simple, but they prevent falls, increase core strength, and enhance proprioception, the body's ability to sense itself in space. Even low-impact movements trigger blood flow to the brain, improving oxygen delivery, boosting neurotransmitter activity, helping you think more clearly. It's proof that small, consistent efforts compound into remarkable results over time. Equally important is managing stress and embracing a positive mindset. Your mental state directly affects your physical health. Chronic stress elevates hormones like cortisol, which can erode memory, suppress immune function, and increase inflammation. The solution isn't avoiding challenges. It's creating daily rituals that calm your nervous system. Mindfulness exercises, meditation, journaling, or simply taking quiet moments to breathe deeply can reset your body's stress response. Celebrate the small victories, acknowledge progress, and focus on what you can control. Shifting your mindset from limitation to possibility reinforces the choices that fuel your brain, body, and spirit. It's one of the most powerful habits you can develop, because it directly influences every other part of your wellness routine. Evening routines matter just as much as mornings. Your body and brain repair themselves overnight, and you can influence that process through diet, light movement, and mental preparation. Eating nutrient-rich fruits like a banana and apple, or an orange before bed supports neurotransmitter function, reduces oxidative stress, and keeps your blood-brain barrier healthy. light stretching, or a short walk in the evening improves circulation and signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and late-night distractions that interfere with your sleep cycle and slow the brain's natural recovery process. By establishing a consistent, calming evening ritual, you prime your body to wake up refreshed, alert, and ready to take on the day. Finally, remember this: staying healthy, energetic, and youthful is a long game, but it's entirely within your control. It's built on the foundation of small, deliberate actions, repeated daily action that nourish your brain, strengthen your body, and support your heart. Over time, these choices compound, protecting memory, enhancing mood, improving energy, and preserving independence. You're not just adding years to life. You're adding life to your years. You are not fading. You are not powerless. Every small step, every walk, every fruit, every mindful breath creates a ripple effect that strengthens your mind, body, and spirit. Aging isn't a sentence. It's a chance to take control, embrace vitality, and show yourself that health, energy, and clarity are possible at any age. Start today, stay consistent, and watch how your life transforms. Because the choices you make right now are the ones your future self will thank you for day after day, year after year.